Zirhatshwa ukusuka embizeni ezididiyela ngamalimi wonke nathi ke sibalo lapho nanzi ezijujileko.
What was alleged is that they tortured this person on the scene where they used a method called tubing, which is a piece of rubber that you pulled over a person's face.
Ikomishini kaMadlanga izwe bona isicema samapolisa kaMasipalata weKhululeni sasinande sihlunguphaza abantu senza okuphambana nokulunga sivale ngokuthi semsebenzini.
This report is a basis upon which the extension is sought, and therefore the request for extension is justified.
Ikomiti ephenya izwangobatsho eyavela nokomishinara wamapolisa KwaZulu-Natal uMkhwanazi ithi bangezelelekile abufakazi kanti lokho kutsho ukuthi nesikhathi sayo siyangezeleleka.
Kutsho ze-hour lesibili kuKwekwezi FM koKhanyapa.
Ulele ubuthongo banomphelo umfundi wendaba kuKwekwezi FM uThemba Sindana obekaziwa khulu ngonzo.
If we can do it right, I can tell you anything is possible, like I've been saying it. In the knockout stage, anything and everything is possible.
Amajimbo sadlulele esigabeni sengichema ezima-32 ebhikirini yephasi ebanjelwe eQatar. Siyathokoza ukunifumanani silindile nezandaba manje ku-SABC1 ngesindebele. Nginguthulani Bongwe, Lotshani. Ikomishini izwe bona isicema samapolisa wendlela kuMasipalata weKhululeni EMPD kusolwa bona bebalelesa babhace ngokuthi bayasebenza hlakana nokhunye bebakwenza kubulala. Lokhu kunjengomana isikhulu se-EMPD esesathatha umhlala phasi uRivo Spies araka ngokwethula ubufakazi kobulelesi ebenzeka e-EMPD okuliziko ekusolwa bona loyo osolwa ngokuba lungale lelesi ezikhulu iCartel uVusmuzi Khetmatlala bekazuza okuthile.
Good morning. Zivele etshatshalazini izenzo eziphambukileko zamapolisa wedrobho leKhululeni zivezwa sikhulu sezikweli esesathatha umhlala phasi uRivo Spies owakhe umkhanyo ngezenzo ekusolwa bona bezenza amapolisa wezikweli zifaka isehlakalo sangezi-15 kusihlabanangana ngo-2022 la isiqhema esifaka ingikhulu ze-EMPD zakhahlumeza bezabulala umuntu eBrakpan.
What was alleged is that they tortured this person on the scene where they used a method called tubing, which is a piece of rubber that you pulled over a person's face and you suffocate the person. So they tubed this person.
Uveze bona ufakazi wesehlakalo lesi waso lomjaphethe wesikhulu samapolisa la uBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi ekusolwa bona wasiza ngokufihla isehlakalo lesi khathesi esiphenwe yi-IPT.
And then the next moment this person, they killed him, and from the scene they called Brigadier Mkhwanazi after it took place now, and Brigadier Mkhwanazi arrived on the scene in a white Golf, and he then proceeded to direct them how to clean the scene, and they placed the body of the victim on this civilian person's bakkie. And they instructed him to go dump the body, which he then duly did.
Leli ngelinye wamanye amaningi uSpies asola bona lijamile nokuthi amapolisa lawo akamangalelwa. Nakusenjalo uSpies uthe imizamo yokuphikisana noMkhwanazi ngezenzo eziphambene nomthetho bewuthuselwa ngokubulawa.
I am suddenly approached by a person from the State Security Agency, and he is stating to me that they, a state security agency, have picked up that there are death threats being made against me, where this Brigadier Mkhwanazi and other officers was discussing in Katlehong area, they were discussing to rent or hire Inkabis, which is a hitman from the KZN area. So they were discussing this, and they already have plotted the concept of it's easy to take me out because I drive in my private capacity. I also have motorcycle and I enjoy motorcycle riding, adventure riding.
Ikomishini yaraka
Ikomiti yeParlamente yesikhatshana ephenya izwangobatsho eyavela no-Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ibawe uSpeaker weParlamente ukuthi abangezelelele isikhathi sokuphenya kodwa. Ikomiti le iveze inzathu zokuthi kubayini kufanele ingezelelelwe isikhathi sokuphenya nabe ikhulumisana ngombiko wayo ongakacedelelwa namhlanje. Ikomiti le ithi akazukubalula ukuceda iphenyo ngelanga elibekiweko ekungumhla ka-28 inyanga le ngombana ayifuni ukurhaba isigaba sokuphawula komphakathi begodi kufanele ungezelelwe ihelo labofakazi.
Komiti ahlangene ngethungelelwano lemoyeni ukukhulumisana ngezinto ezibalahlangana nokhunye ungezeleleka kwehelo labofakazi icozululo lemphakamiso zomphakathi nevakatjho lokuyezikweni lezokuhlenga kwesimilo iGosi Mampuri Pitori lapho ikomiti yokuhlangana beyithuke ngemibuzo yisibotshwa uVusimuzi Khet Matlala oyena igama lakhe elivela khulu ngezwangobatsho eyavela noMkhwanazi. Ibandla leParlamente sekhelaya lona izikweni lezokuhlenga kwesimilo ePitori.
The findings on our end suggest that they do have adequate facility that they can host up to 400 people. It is dividable. If you want to make it smaller, we can do that.
Umphilo uthi isiqhema sanelisekile bona izikweli livikeleke ngokufaneleko bona ikomiti ingakhona ukusebenzela khona. Ikomiti kusafuze iqedelela amalanga wokuvela kwabanye abofakazi abafana noPaulo Saluven, uBrown Mkhotsi nabanye abavele ebuthweni lamapholisa.
What is a basis upon which the extension is sought? In the last meeting, the members have said, when you write a letter of extension, requesting extension to the Speaker, it must be accompanied by a brief report of what the committee has done, and therefore the request for extension is justified.
Amalunga weParlamente ubuningi bawo avumelene ngokungezelela isikhathi kodwana athi kufuze kubeka isikhathi esisusekako kodwana baba ukuthi kufuze angeze kwakhonakala bona bahlalelisa futhi. Ivekele isikhulu sizokuchuchiswa komphakathi uAdvocate Jamila Batowi nesikhulu semapholiseni uCedric Nkabinde bayokuvela ekomitini emalangeni.
Uhulumende wesifunda seGauteng uthembise ukulekelela umndeni wamalunga amahlanu abhubhele ngaphakathi komtlhatlhana obowutsha amalangabo ethwathwa ekuruleni zolebusuku. Besizo elirhabako bafikile kodwana besele amalunga ngasekho. Kusinde indodana yinye iminyaka eli-19 ebeyilele ekamereni elingaphandle.
Lemfucuzo ibona lapha bekuyikhaya lomndeni onamalunga amahlanu ashe anqonqa azashona ngesonto ebusuku. Umakhelwane uthi bazamile ukuzolekelela kodwa kwanhlanga imoka nomoya.
Bamemezile nomama ngaphakathi simzwile makamemeza athi umemeza lo mntana entombazana ukuthi bekaphuma ekamereni lakhe sathi sizama ukuvula sahluleka so bonke bashe banconca laphakathi.
Lensizwa iyona yodwa sisele kulomndeni kanti ibonele ngawaya amehlo umndeni wakubo faka phakathi abazali bakhe bobabili bekhala kabuhlungu beshiswa umlilo.
Angiphuma vela umlilo ugcwele. Sihlulekile vele ukuthi sicime because namanzi ayelo wasiphelela. Ma-firefighter afike ngesikhathi sawo namaphoyisa afika ngesikhathi. Ngakho nje vele yonke into isele kunje.
Okhulumela umnyango wezemfundo eGauteng uthi umnyango wabo uzozama ukufaka isandla la sidingeka khona.
Simnyango sibetheke khulu, sibetheke iduma ngophiko. Sithi sichirile emndenini okuseleko ukuthi mhlambe kufuze senze iminyanya yesikhumbuzo yokukhumbula abantwana bethu enkoleni zombili.
Obambe njengondunankulu wesifundazwe eGauteng uLibogang Mayile uthi kuzothunyelwa iminyango eyehlukene ukuze iyokwelekelela.
Uhulumeni sizawusebenza through umasipala, umnyango wezemfundo, umnyango we-human settlement ukuthi sibone ukuthi sisiza kanjani umndeni sikhona ukubasula inyembezi.
Ilungu lomndeni litshela iziko leindaba ze-SABC ukuthi abazali babo ngabakudabuka eMozambique kanti idumbu zabashonile zizothathwa ihanjiswe ekhaya ziyongcwatshelwa khona.
Imindeni eli-17 yeSouth Africa pha ekuthiwa batsho ibhalelwa kubuya ezweni leThailand ibawa isizo ukubuyisa amalunga wemndeni abo. Imindeni le ikholwa ukuthi amalunga wemndeni yabo iphakathi kweminyaka eli-12 ukuya eminyakeni ema-30 ubudala ithunjiwe. Solo bakhamba bathi bafumene imisebenzi namhlanje abakatholakali.
Isililo esirhabiyako esivela emndenini. Ithemba liyaphela bona ilunga lalomndeni lisaza kubuya ekhaya. Basuka ekhaya baya eThailand ngemva kokuthenjiswa umsebenzi. Banengi abantu abatsha abadoselwa eThailand, abanye babizwa bangani babo enkundleni zokuthindana. Umfowabo likaXolile Yoko wakhamba ngomkhayili umnyaka lo, kwathi abanye balandela mva. Imndeni yalila ithi ayisakhoni ukuthindana nabo.
We can't get hold of him, and when we find out is that they've been separated from the others. He was arrested and the others were under the bridge and stuff. So my concern currently is that his situation of health is not safe because he's sick, and then again he's a very allergy person.
Unonkululeko Xulu odabuka kwaZulu Natal uthi kwakufuze akhambe ngomgwengweni kodwana wabhalelwa ngenxa yokubanjwa amabanga wangikhaya. Uhlathulula ngomsebenzi ekuthiwa uyowenza lapho.
I won't be sure about the name of the company, but what I do know is these things start with the KK1, KK2 stuff, and it goes to, they are working in such a way, it's a network marketing. It goes with a crypto.
Imndeni ithi imphathimandla solo ziyabajikajikisa.
We did try to reach a Thailand embassy. I even have pictures of us there as a family. We went there, we tried to get help from these people, but unfortunately, I don't want to lie, we didn't get any help.
Imizamo yethu yokufumana impendulo eminyangweni wezokusebenzisana kwamazwe ngamazwe akhange ibe yimpumelelo.
Nasibuya entolo.
Ngizibona nami ngimkhulu. Awa yazi nawenza into akutsheje ukuthi iphaseli liyakubona.
Inkutani zekhethu zihlonitshwe ngendima ezilimako ekuthuthukiseni nekulondeni ilimi nesiko lamaNdebele emnyanyeni ube ubanjelwe kwaZulu Natal. Indaba sekhona lapha mbukeli kanina zikuphundileko yazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Namba sikhambe. Ulale ubuthongo basafuthi umrhatshi wendaba ezikhunyezweko emrhatshweni we-SABC Ikwekwezi FM uThemba Sindana. uSindana abanye bebambiza ngomancane, abanye bathi nguJude. Ulele ngomgcibelo amalangana kabunane kusinyikhaba ngemva kokugula isikhatshana. Mbika indaba we-SABC uphindile msiza usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Lo mrhatsho Ikwekwezi FM koKhanyapa ngezawo lesibili indaba lotshane.
Leli liphimbo abanengi abalalela Ikwekwezi FM abalijayele endabeni ezihunyeziweko. Leli liphimbo elithembekileko, iphimbo lesikhuthali, iphimbo likaMazithulele obekazithandela umndeni wakhe nesiqhema sebholo ebekazifela ngaso iMamelodi Sundowns. Ukulala kwakaThemba Sindane kuthinde kumbi amaSewula Afrika amaningi, okutsho ukuthi ubewenza kuhle umsebenzi wakhe. Bekubonakala ungena nje ema-ofisini wendaba bona kuduma ukhambe isikhuthali ebesingathunyani nomuntu kodwana senza umsebenzi waso ngobutharha. Ikhandlela elivutha etafuleni lakhe lithwaye lokuthi ebebambona angekhe basambona. Sekuzakusala iphimbo lakhe emigadangisweni eseleko. Kubudisi kubalingani bakhe ebebasebenza naye ngobuduze, amehlo azele inyembezi. Boke njalo bakhuluma ngalizwilinye bona bebanethemba njengegama lakhe uSindana bona uza kubuya emsebenzini, kodwana akhange kube njalo.
Bekamuntu ongakhulumkhulu mara ukarisako ngaye ukuthi bekawenza umsebenzi wakhe. Awenza ngokuzinikela. He was one person nawuthi Themba ngibawa ukuthi ungenzele lokho. He never said no. Mina ngithi Themba ngibawa lokho uzokusikima ezinye izinto, and then he will initiate izinto. Athi uzakuza ukuthi hey my sister yazini unento sona ngifuna ukuyenza ucabangani. It was always, he had brilliant ideas. Kimi nje ukuhamba kwakhe angazi ukuthi siyokwenzani.
Silahlekelwe khulu. Uyazi umuntu owaziko ukuthi nakuvela ikinga na uthoma uthi Themba sekwenzeke nje avela athi hayi akuthwenye mani my sister leyo singayilungisa ngalendlela bekangimabizwa sabela bekumuntu oweqako owazi ukuthi uze emsebenzini umsebenzi wakhe awazi begodu bekazimisele khulu ngokusebenza amazi nomuntu uThemba
owengamele indaba zemirhatsho kwa SABC uAubrey Sijiya uthi uThemba Sindane bekayisika yangendabeni begodu akurari ukuthi namhlanje kuduma emntwini wonke ebekasebenza naye uthi ngendlela kuduma ngakhona iSABC ihlanganisa amahlelo wokuthotshwa kwabasebenzi ngokomkhumbulo.
The struggle or the question is how the team will cope in the next few weeks. We had already reached out to the wellness center to come and give the team that psychological support so that they can be able to carry on with their daily activities. But losing Themba is almost like, there's this void that has been created within the team.
Abanye abalingani bakhe ngokomsebenzi bavumelana ngazulwinye ngobuntu nekuthalo kaSindane kanti bathi bazomkhumbula nganasindlela.
Themba into engizomkhumbulela yona i-typing speed yakhe yobeka type. I would say beka number 1 lana kuza ekutypeni uzwa vele uthole i-newsroom kuyindawo ehlala ithulile. Every time nakase shiftini uzokuzwa nethi kulila i-keyboard kuphela uzwe ukuthi vele uthewukele and ngizomthandela ukuthi bekawuthanda umsebenzi wakhe, always quiet, always on time.
Lahlekelwe i-experience silahlekelwe namlingani wethu njengoba isikhala sikhulu sisemsebenzini esinje asazi nokuthi sisebenze njani nangebe khoneka besokuhlala kodwa nasikhona ukuhlala
phila ipilo enengikhulu ngingabhala incwadi ngoThemba izinto ezinengi esizenzileko okukhulukhulu ebengikuthanda uThemba bengithanda nje ubuntu bakhe. uThemba bekathi noma akubona ungasi right uzokufonela noma sewusekhaya namkha athumele iWhatsApp mntwana yazi ngikubona ungasi right emsebenzini mara u-right na unjani ini yazi noma uThemba la officeini bekunguThemba nje ohlala ajoli azikhulumela ngeSundowns zakhe yonke yabona asikalahlekelwa sodwa kilokho neSundowns elahlekelwe bakwethu.
Umndeni kaSindane umhlathulule njengoba bobekanethando ebantwaneni bakhe nemndenini wonke kanti bathi bazokumemezela amalungiselelo womngcwabo azokulandela ngokukhamba kwesikhathi.
Utsho ze-hour lesibili kuKwekwezi FM koKhanyapa.
Nangambala bekuzindaba ze-hour lokugcina kuKwekwezi FM uThemba Sindane azethulele iphasi ngethando nangokuzimisela iminyaka. Kodwa lokubhlungu khulu ukuthi namhlanje umbhobho ebekahlala ngemva kwawo lo abikele inkulungwana zabantu indaba uthulile. Kodwa nokuhle ukuthi iphimbo lakhe lizokuhlala likhumbuleka ngoba lizibikile indaba ezihlukahlukeneko begodu lakhuthaza nabantu abaningi eSouth Africa pha kunye nakamanye amazwe angaphandle lapho belifikelela khona ngamagagasi womoya kunye nangehlelo letechnology. Lala uphumule nzotho hlokohloko lomlambo nakungeyakho indima ke zokurhatsha nepilweni zombelele uyilimile. Nginguphindile Msiza wendaba ze-SABC eAuckland Park eJohannesburg.
Esigabeni sembono sinikela ababukeli ithuba lokulelela umndeni kaNzotho nabalingani bakhe njengomana sele aliflathele nje iphasi.
Ya isilahlekele uwile umuntu omkhulu uwile umuntu omthunzomnandi emndenini waSindane sithi dudu
sithi umndeni akwehlanga ungehlile bathi lifu liphela lekhamba besalindele lokhulu
angalobi nedwa nathi sibalaleli beKwekwezi FM sibabuki bendaba beSABC 1 besimthanda sithanda nomsebenzi wakhe
sithi dudu kunala ababeka bereka nabo uzima akabe nani aniqinise
iphimbo la kaThemba Sindane ngeke sisalizwe emoyeni sithi umndeni wakaSindane duduzekani uzima uyazi la athethe khona ukuthi uzakuvala ngani
silahlekelwa kakhulu especially khakha wezindaba
uNzotho siyamazi sithalale ngokuthula mndeni nithobeka Manxeba bahathi nonke benisebenza namkhani bereka naye.
Unonghatanyana ubebindwala ithule emnyanyeni wokuthweswa iziqu kweziko elizijameleko i-African Institute of Leadership and Governance ePietermaritzburg KwaZulu-Natal. Abaholi nabantu abanengikhuluphelo zokuba badosi phambili bathweswa iziqu abanye bahlonitshwa.
Ngokuthosa iziqu abafundela ubuholi nokuphatha ezikweni le-African Institute of Leadership and Governance kuhlonitshwe isikhwari senitshabachaba uma umsoziswa noSinki Mahlangu nomvezi methulo kuKwekwezi FM uBranko Nkambule wakwaBhoholo.
Uyazi namhlanje ngizibona nami ngimkhulu. Awa yazi nawenza into akutsheje ukuthi iphaseli liyakubona. Wena fanele ukuthi uyabereka, uyahelebha.
Ngesikhathi esiningi nawenza into uyenza ngombana unethando layo. Okhunye uyenza ngombana ubona ukuthi kunesidingo sokuthi kufanele ukwenze. Kanti kunabantu abaqalileko abakubonako nababona ukuthi kufanele bakuphakamisa.
Nomhlekhabo yakuma-final ka-Miss South Africa ngempela veke seyakiyo uZaza Litholo naye uhlonitshwe ngetuthuka yenze emphakathini.
Senze imsebenzile kanti basicalile namhlanje singithokoza ukuthi nami ngilana ngiyacelebratewa as one of the leaders.
Umholo womphakathi uJabu Masombuka obuya bemfunda ezikweneli ukhethwe njengomzende ezikweli.
Ngivele ngaqabanga nje ukuthi bobani ekosele bahlonitshwe kufana nabantu abahlonitshwa kuma unsung heroes kimi abakahlonitshwa ngokwaneleko eSouth Africa.
UNosinki wenza ngokwesiko lesindebele sithi ubukhazi buyahlabisana. Wanikela ngemgwalo emibili ezikweni. Umengameli weziko nguEmmanuel Nkhoma.
Where we were not just celebrating the academic achievement of our leaders of applied leadership, but recognizing their efforts.
Uprofessor Othi Nxumalo uthokozisa iziko nabafundi.
Kezemali iranda liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Amajimbo sadlulele esigabeni sengichema ezima-32 ebhikirini yephasi ebanjelwe eQatar. Umbanduli wesichema lesi uvela Khumalo uthi bancamele ukudlulela kuma-semifinal. Asethule uBusayi Mathebula nobujamo bakho bezulu.
Siyaloshisa nabubujamo bezulu sibona lapha ke kunekungu ngentshingalanga yenarha yeSouth Africa lapha ke eKapa livulile nakamathuba amanengi wezulu lapha emkhawulweni wangaleke ngePumalanga Kapa ukufika kezinye indawo zangaleke ngeFreystata nge80% kanike maphakathi nenarha uchingelele endaweni zangale ngakuboma yikeng silithola lapha ke izulu nge60% ikungule oyibonako abantu batsheje khulu bayelele nabaza kuchayela namhlanje ebusuku kusasa abuyela phezudlwana amathuba wezulu athi nge60% endaweni zangaleke endaweni ngapha ngeKZN ukuchinga ngale endaweni zangale ngeFreystata lirabhule njalo lichinge nangale ngendaweni zeLimpopo sibona ikungu eningi hle yentsheje niyelele external nchayelako nangale ngetjingalanga isesekhona sibona lapha ke isilemukiso esisitholako imjijo iduma kumbi eminarheni lezi ozibonako ngapha ngeKZN ufika ngale ngeFreystata nangale ke endaweni zange Northwest nakusasa sisitholileke kodwa isilemukiso kungale ke ngePumalanga namkhana ngetjingalanga yesifundeni sange KZN nangale ke ngeMahikeng nangapho ngePitori yentsheje niyelele sicala lapha amazi ngokushisa sithoma lapha esifundeni seGauteng sipholile lapha eJohannesburg neSprings lapha ePitori kufuthumele nge24 iBroncosprite nge21 siyalapha esifundeni sangale ngeLimpopo sibona ke endawo ezipholileko iphulukwane nalapha eZanini kanike kezinye indawo kuyachisa kufuthumele lapha ke endaweni zabo Bakersford siyalapha esifundeni sangeMpumalanga sibona isifunda sipholile endaweni ezinengi boMiddelburg Malahleni Bhundu njalo njalo sifuthumele lapha ke endaweni zeMkhondo isikhukhuza iyachisa nge31 siyalapha esifundeni saKwaZulu Natal sisibona sifuthumele sonke isifunda chisa lapha eRichards Bay noUlundi nge32 asiyokucalela isifunda sangale ngePumalanga Kapa sibonakala ke sona ke sichisa endaweni ezinengi kufuthumele lapha eEast London nge24 siya lapha ke sifundeni sangeJingalanga Kapa sibonakala lapha ke endaweni zabo Cape Agulhas nalapha eGeorge pholile nge23 bese ke lapha eCape Town kufuthumele kamnandi nge28 lapha ke eTlagwini Kapa sibonakala isifunda sonke siyachisa khulukhulu ke lapha kubo Uppington iKimberley ke yona ke ibuya nganeno neKurumane zifuthumele iKurumane nge27 iFreystata sifunda sibonakala sifuthumele endaweni ezinengi noma izulu lizakhele bekhona njaya iBethlehem yona ipholile nge23 kokugcina siyalapha ke eNorthwest sifunda sonke sifuthumele noma izulu lizakhe liwathele ngokuhamba kwesikhathi sibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako Tido